Hello, in this video I'll provide a basic demonstration of the key features of the educational website Thrively. This education resource aims to discover the genius in every child. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will be using the web-based version, thrively.com. The most prominent and unique feature of this website is the strengths assessment. This is the first thing that the website directs you to complete as soon as you create your account. The strengths assessment was designed by pediatric neuropsychologists and is based upon 23 areas of strength. If you want to learn more about the strengths assessment, you can click on Help and then select the Strength Guide, which will take you to a PDF that tells you more about the strengths assessment, how it was designed, the philosophy, as well as an in-depth description of all 23 strengths. I created an educator account, which allows you to take the strengths assessment yourself before you add the class roster, which you can do by providing a code to your students or by connecting Thrively to your Google Classroom account. I would highly recommend taking the strengths assessment yourself. I went through it pretty quickly, so it took me about 25 minutes and was informative in deciding whether it would be appropriate for my students. The assessment is interactive, with every question providing a text-to-speech option, as well as some questions being based on videos or photos. One question even asks you to test your coordination by moving your body. Once the strengths assessment is created, you receive a personalized profile that highlights your top strengths, explains what they mean. So for me, I have assertiveness, social, flexibility, resilience, and academic. And then it even suggests activities to build upon these strengths. As an adult, reading the description of my strengths was uplifting and empowering. Once your students complete their strengths assessment, you will receive reports detailing the strengths and interests of each and every one of your students. Another key feature of Thrively is the personalized digital portfolio. This allows for student self-expression as they build upon their strengths and highlight their progress. Your students can add interests from a wide variety of categories, including creative arts, outdoor recreation, and more. They can also choose aspirations from a set list that they can explore more in the career pathways section. They have a wide variety of pathways. And students are also able to set and keep track of goals, both big and small. Add a short description, a date to accomplish the goal by, and even a picture for inspiration, and you have a simple way to keep track of personal goals. This digital portfolio also allows students to add highlights from their year. Students can add information about accomplishments and favorite memories, recording specific details such as why it is special to them, and adding media such as photos, videos, or presentations. The digital portfolio is a great way for students to practice goal setting as they build upon their strengths and interests, as well as keep track of their accomplishments throughout the year and beyond. I think it could be a helpful tool to guide student-led conferences. Overall, Thrively can be a great way for students to take ownership of their learning and find power in their strengths. Thrively has a ton of other features such as career pathway explorations, specific lessons that students can complete at their own pace, journal reflections, and projects in which students can collaborate to solve real-world problems. However, for the sake of time in this video, I focused upon the two most prominent features, the strengths assessment and the personalized digital portfolio. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.